This is your very first person that ordered a book, so I don't know if you wanted to do anything or...
This is... We are at the warehouse right now. We're about to ship out the first book order. The very first person who ever bought our books. Shout out to you, Pedro. Appreciate the order. And this is our first time ever having other people do the fulfillment for us. So Derek's gonna get this packaged up for us. Oh y'all, so we have spent months and months and months, almost a year, waiting for this day when we finally have the books in our warehouse. From writing every word of these books to getting them all custom illustrated, every page, giving feedback on every character, just sending polls to you all on what you want to see in the books. We finally got them in the warehouse. We've packed up the first 50 orders. I personally packed your order, Cheryl, so shout out to you. It's a little bit messy, but hope you love it. And we're just so excited to get these books finally out to you at home. So today was a big day. We've been waiting for these books for a really long time, and I know that you have been too. So we're so excited the books are finally here. Now, I've got to admit, a lot of this is bittersweet for me personally. Having started Toddlers Can Read less than 3 years ago, just having it be an idea in my head, to the first course we ever made, to the first flashcards we ever ordered, having 20 boxes come to our house, thinking how the hell are we ever gonna get these things out, filling up a closet, to filling up a garage, to now taking up a big chunk of this warehouse. I mean, it's been an incredible journey. I'm so grateful for all of you and for your support. And at the same time, I've got a lot of feelings today about just seeing the business transition, handing part of this business off to someone else. And big picture, just making sure that Toddlers Can Read is always growing and expanding. I think the big thing that we're focused on is adding quality physical products to our courses so that you have everything you need to get started. And the demand for the flashcards was crazy. I was like, I get it, we'll make flashcards. Then the demand for the books is crazy. I was like, okay, we'll make books. It wasn't on the plans, but we did it. And moving forward, we're going into 2024 fully prepped, fully ready to make more books, whiteboards, markers, handouts, binders, clipboards, you name it, everything we need to teach your kid to read. And today feels like the first major step towards that mission. So I'm just incredibly thankful to each of you for your support. If you've already bought these books, thank you genuinely for your patience. I'm not Walmart, I'm not Amazon, I'm not some huge company who's able to just like spit these things out. This is months and months and months of work of writing these books, of illustrating these books, of getting them in, of making phone calls to try and get these books here so we can get them out to you. So just deeply, deeply, deeply thankful for your patience, for all the folks who follow Toddlers Can Read, who supported us and made this possible. Thank you. And as we move to 2024 and beyond, look forward to more books, more products, and more resources to help you support your little one in learning how to read.